Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Pocoyo hugging his best friend Pato. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I draw Pocoyo, starting with his face and one arm. Default text. On his head, I draw his funny little hat like this. Then I draw his two eyes. He looks so happy and smiley. Next, I draw his nose and his big smiling mouth. Let's draw his other hand now. He's hugging Pato around the neck. Now let's draw Pato. First, I draw Pato's mouth and two big eyes. Wow, look how big they are. Then I draw a tiny hat on his head. So cute. Next, I draw Pato's body and his two legs. And don't forget to draw his feet. Finally, I go back and draw Pocoyo's legs, just like that. Now it's time to make our drawing stand out. I'm using a black marker to trace over everything so it's nice and clear. Are you ready to color? Let's start with Pocoyo's hat. I use a sky blue color. The same blue to color his whole outfit. He looks awesome. Kids, if you're having fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That really helps us a lot. Thank you. Next, I color Pato's mouth orange. And I use the same orange for his legs too. For Pato's body, I use a bright yellow. Then I color his little hat green. I also use dark yellow for a nice touch. For Pocoyo's mouth, I use red. And finally, I use a light cream color for his skin. almost done. Great job, everyone! If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Goodbye and keep creating.